और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
UMP ke Tura usalang sangma ula Buddien hakabede bagajing Shna Pynheh yaka Liengsuiñ Baljek West Garo Hills District kanam ki Liengsuiñ ki behe ke nubla banhiar hakani ka Liengsuiñ ke badan harilum garu yamenta kadi ka Liengsuiñ kadang la ban ajing syakri tangi ki Liengsuiñ bared batang arphongut kinang le jinglet hapo ga scheme UDAN Henry usang ma wala pinpau ke jing krimen da ke jing shimkia jong sarkar balki Airport Authority of India on sala ban Pynheh yaka Liengsuiñ khanang ma ki Liengsuiñ ki behe kindubla ban hiar khando.
I have already written a letter to the minister and the prime minister himself. Right now, the government of Meghalaya, they have written, just recently only, just few months back, I think so. Just recently only they have, written that MOU, okay, and that is only for the 20 seaters. Just recently, 20 seaters, whereas people were expecting to, expecting for, bigger Boeing, bigger aircraft. But I think 20 aircraft, even now also, maybe they might be able to operate under the Uran. Because what I have seen in Lakshadweep, it's quite similar, right? The one which we're having now. But somewhere, or the airport, the aerodrome, I think might have to do a little bit of renovations and a little bit of expansion. Otherwise, it's very much similar to that Lakshadweep airport. It's not that big. Even in Lakshadweep also. That 20-seater Boeing, it can land anytime. Especially in the map of Airport Authority of India, there's Baljek Airport was never there. Okay? It was not there at all. During the committee meeting along with the Airport Authority of India on December, when I asked, they said that Baljek Airport is not there in that, in the Airport Authority of India's map. Okay, because we had a meeting after that committee meeting in Lakshadweep.
When was that?
That was in the month of January only. First, we had a meeting in Delhi where I asked if there is any, what is the conditions of the Baljek Airport. Okay, after that they have given me the reply at Liengsuiñ, where they said that there is no trace of Baljek Airport in the Airport Authority of India. Since recently, the government of Meghalaya has already, written the MOU with the Airport Authority of India. Now it's there. Now they are asking for the license. Now, during that time, there was no such license even, acquired by the government of Meghalaya at that time. It was a government's airport, Meghalaya's airport only. That Baljek airport was Meghalaya's airport only. It was never an Airport Authority of India's airport.
But it was,
a state.
But it was open.
It was a state airport before. Okay? I think that time it was a state airport, not the Airport Authority of India.
But now?
Now, since the government has already, given the MOU, written the MOU with the Airport Authority of India, I think now government of India is taking over. But I think now, since some renovations and some expansion has to do, I think they are taking a little bit of time. But I have written again to extend it not only for 20 seaters, but at least even to 75 seaters. At least it will do justice to the people of people of the state. Ask them better, because right now what I could see is that what I have heard, what I have seen, and what I have told by the Airport Authority of India, I'm telling you the truth. Nothing more than that.
It is run by state only, without the approval.
It was organized by the state, I think so, that time. I don't know how they did that. Okay, how they bought this. Our president of India, Pratibha Patil, that time. Maybe she just came to inaugurate that one without having any proper, license even to land.